Here is a customer of mine's pocket bike. He said it was very hard to start, so got it running for him, cleaned the carb, put a different carburetor on in better condition on it. It is just a China 2-stroke dirt bike, 50cc. Now it currently starts on the first hole. Hopefully it'll do that for me again. Well, I don't think it really has an idle screw. Just a mixture screw, I think. Unless that is the idle screw. Said it was really hard to start. Now it starts on the first pull. I think it's got some transmission problems. So he's probably gonna get gotta get a new transmission for it. That is actually just kind of like a jack shaft setup. Pretty decent. And this is the first bike I've fixed up for a customer. So thanks for watching.